The Lignum Vitae tree that granted wishes. The midday sun stretched lazily across the yard as Jody kicked off her slippers and flopped under the biggest tree she knew. It stood tall at the edge of the yard, strong, quiet, and covered in small purple-blue flowers that seemed to glow when the breeze passed through. "Mommy," Jody called out, fanning herself with a book. "I want to make that tree so special." Her mother glanced over from the kitchen window and smiled. "Because it is, baby. That's a Lignum Vitae tree, Jamaica's national tree." Jody squinted up at it. "It no look like nothing special to me, just big and old." Her mother chuckled. "Careful how you talk about it. Some people say that tree listen." Jody rolled her eyes. "Trees can't listen, mommy." Just then, a soft breeze rushed through the branches. The leaves shimmered, and one tiny flower floated down, landing gently in Jody's lap. She stared at it. "Okay, that's strange," she murmured. The yard went quiet for a moment, like everything was waiting. Jody picked up the flower and turned it in her fingers. "If you're really listening," she said slowly, half joking, "Moda love a bag of sweets right now." The wind picked up suddenly. The branches shook, and then, plop! Something dropped right in front of her. Jody jumped back. A giant bag. She blinked. "No, sir." She crept forward, opened it. Chocolate, gummies, lollipops, everything. Jody gasped. It actually worked. She didn't waste time. She ate and ate and ate and ate, sweet after sweet, until, oh, she groaned, clutching her stomach. "My belly." She leaned back against the tree, uncomfortable. After a moment, she let out a small sigh. "Yeah, that wish they never really was, she muttered softly. The breeze moved gently through the branches, almost like a quiet agreement. Jody looked up at the tree, thinking. This time, she didn't laugh. After a while, she sat up and looked around the yard. The grass near the garden was dry. The soil looked cracked. Earlier that day, she had seen her mother trying to water the plants, wiping sweat from her face. Jody swallowed. She held the little flower again. This time her voice was softer. "If you really can help," she said gently, "I wish the garden would grow strong again. For help, mother." For a moment, nothing happened. Then the wind returned, stronger this time. The branches shimmered. The ground beneath her shifted slightly. Jody watched as the dry soil slowly darkened. Tiny green shoots pushed up through the earth. Leaves spread, flowers bloomed. Right before her eyes, the garden came alive. Jody's mouth fell open. Whoa! That evening, her mother stepped outside and stopped in her tracks. "Jody, look at the garden!" The yard was full, bright, thriving. Jody smiled softly and said, "Yeah, mommy, it's just a little magic. It just needed a little help." Her mother hugged her tight. "Me no know how this happened, but thank you, baby." As the sun began to set, Jody walked back to the tree. The purple-blue flowers shimmered in the golden light. The breeze moved gently through the branches. This time, she didn't ask for anything. She just sat quietly, listening. From that day on, Jody never called the tree just big and old again. She visited it often, watching, learning, listening. And she always remembered, sometimes the best wishes are the ones that help more than just yourself.